That is pretty cool. All of these are nice. Oh, which one am I gonna get? It was awkward. Hello guys, so we're just coming back from Resort World. We're going home now. We're gonna cook a badass steak. True? Alright, let's go. Oh, I just had my favorite boba. Ooh, we got some meats. They sure did. I got some pretty good prices. We're at Sam's Club. I'm excited. I'm hungry now for everything that we've seen. So we're just getting as much meats and chicken and stuff like that. And then we're all gonna pay it through the app, which is really easy. But yeah, we got the membership for $25 for 2 people at Sam's Club. Pretty good. I'll tell you a little bit about it later. So let's continue shopping. Richard is scanning everything and then we literally just walk out. Obviously we're going to show the receipt and stuff, but this for Caesar salad were $5, so kudos. So Richard just ran into Walmart really quickly. We needed some Ziploc bags, and then we're gonna head off home. But we got some pretty cool stuff at Sam's Club, so I'll show it to you when we get home. And we literally paid $97. I feel like if we got the same thing at Smith's, it'd already be over $100, and we got a lot of stuff. Can't wait to show you. Okay, all right guys, I found this and this cream. All right guys, so we came back. We bought this huge case. It has 36 cans in it. So we got that. We also got, let me show ya. We got some Caesar salad. Then we got some ground beef, which is pretty good because this was, oh, I forgot how much this was, but it was pretty, I think it was $15. And at Smith's, it's normally $10. Yes, so it was $15.73. This was like $6. How much is this? It's like 13, right? Yeah. And then I got some granola, which is good. That was like $5. The eggs Richard got, they were $5 as well. Then he ended up getting some Ziploc bags. Got a big bag of vegetables. Then we got all these meats. This was $16.15 for this whole big packet of chicken. And then this right here was $25.37. So we got good stuff. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, that's not a lot of food, but for us it is because it's meals. So we can make one meal there, one meal here, another meal there. We've got Caesar salad, vegetables, and we've got rice and stuff as well. So this all cost us $97. So it's pretty good. Whew. Hey everyone. Sorry, I just took off my makeup so I can redo my makeup. So it is Friday today. February, okay? And today is the first Friday, which is cool, but right now we're gonna go get some Paris baguette, and then yeah, we'll see where we go. We might actually go tonight, you know, to first Friday, but we'll see. But look at this tiramisu. That's the one I want though. The rainbow one? The coolest bags here. Look at that Winnie the Pooh. Oh, the Slytherin one. That is really cool. I like the mini one. That is cool. This one is really cool. And look at the Wizard of Oz.
I know. Do you see the up one?
Look at that one.
This one.
How cute. Good, thank you. I love Funkos. Oh, look. Severus Snape.
Oh, that one would be cool again.
Oh, look. Patronus.
It's a little dog.
That's so cool.
Oh, look. Oh,